unplanned downtime, unstable voltage, and damaged equipments. How much is power fluctuation costing your business? Power fluctuations can slow the process. Stability is what keeps the industry moving. Introducing the 2000 kVA oil-cooled rolling contact type automatic voltage stabilizer, designed to deliver precise voltage regulation even under severe voltage fluctuations. The rolling contact mechanism ensures minimal wear and tear and enhanced reliability for continuous industrial duty. Oil-cooled construction provides efficient heat dissipation, supporting long operating life and consistent performance. Ideal for industries where stable power means uninterrupted productivity. Built for demanding environment, engineered for dependable performance. Now ready for export. Delivering trusted voltage control solutions to empower industrial growth across Africa. Hi, I'm Sushant Gupta, Director at Recons Power, a company pioneering in the manufacturing of power and distribution transformers, HT and LT servo voltage stabilizers, electroplating rectifier equipments, package substations, RMUs, and VCBs, providing power solutions for almost 39 years with supplies across 30 plus nations, 17,000 plus installations, and 11,000 plus totally satisfied clients. It's like ABB, Huawei, Siemens, Fuji, Mitsubishi, Reliance, Tata, Adani, Airtel, to name a few. If you are looking for such power solutions, contact us on the details ahead.